Alright, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to upload your video for your word study presentations to YouTube and then embed it into Moodle. So here are some examples of what videos look like after I've finished recording them. I save them as a video file. So what you're going to want to do is open up YouTube. If you don't have an account, you can register for one with your email address. And then once you have, you're just going to click on this upload button and you'll get a screen that looks like this, and you're just going to drag and drop the file. Now I'm not going to do that because I have already uploaded all of these files and it actually won't let me duplicate. So I'm going to go back to the home screen. So once you have uploaded it, it will show you a link that you can use. Don't use the link. There's another little button there that will say embed, and you want to click embed and then copy the text that's written in it. I'll show you what it looks like. So let me click on my icon here to get my channel open. Sorry, it's not liking that. So I'm just going to go to my channel. I'm going to show you what an embedded link looks like. If my computer can keep up. All right. So this, for instance, is my Lecture 5 video. And you'll notice down here there's a spot that says share. And then there's a little ... You want to click on share, and this is the link that you'll likely see when you first upload your video. But what you want to do is click the button that says embed, and you see this text that's kind of between the two alligator symbols. You'll copy that, then you'll go into Moodle. You'll find the place you want to post it. In this case, it's the word study presentation link and discussion. Okay. Let's open up that. And then you'll, just like normal, you'll add a new discussion topic. But instead of just pasting it in here, you'll title it with your name or however you want to title it. Then you need to click this toolbar toggle right here. And then you find these little markers that say edit HTML source. Click on that, paste what you copied into it. That's Control V on a Windows computer. And then hit update, and it will just load the video right into there, and then you'll post to forum. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I will be happy to answer them.